Hey guys, welcome back. I don't know why I said I'll see you tomorrow. It's Friday. My brain is on full quarantine mode. So we're going to finish up with surface area of a full sphere, and we'll do some half spheres as well. And then we'll call it a day. So, surface area of a sphere. I always think about this like a baseball or a softball. So, if you peel off the leather cover of a baseball or a softball, you get these kind of cool shapes. They always remind me of the 2006 World Cup soccer ball. But if you notice this, I mean, there's going to be a little bit of stretching just because of the nature of the ball. But if you look, you kind of see four circles. And same thing over here. If we look at our leather covering of the baseball, we'll notice what looks like four circles. And the area of a circle is pi r squared. So if I have four circles, then the surface area of a sphere is going to be 4 pi r squared. So if I know surface area is 4 pi r squared, then I'll just take my radius, substitute that known value in here. So it's going to be equal to 4 pi times 64. And then I can simplify this. 64 times 4 gets me 256. So 256 pi would be my final answer. Same thing here. I've got surface area is 4 pi r squared. And while I'm at it, I might as well just put that on all four of those. So I'll substitute in my radius value. So that's going to be equal to 4 times pi times 36. 36 times 4 is going to give me 144. So 144 pi, and that's square feet here. Here would be square inches. And again, same thing. Be on the lookout for whether or not you actually have the radius that you want. So here again, I don't have that, so we can divide this diameter by 2. So radius is 9.15 meters. So the surface area would be 4 times pi times 83.72, which would be 334.89 pi cubic meters. No, I'm sorry, square meters. This is surface area. Area is square meters. And last one here, 4 pi times 400, or 1600 pi square feet. But what if I have a hemisphere? Well, remember yesterday we talked about cones, and we said, well, cones, you can kind of split them into two separate pieces. You've got the lateral surface area here, so cones. We had the base, of course. There we go. We had the base, and we had this kind of curved sector, this piece of a circle. That was our lateral area. Well, we're going to do the same thing with this hemisphere. We've got this sort of dome up top, but then we've also got this base. Well, if the top here, that's just half of a sphere. So what's half of 4 pi r squared? Well, half of 4 is 2. But then we have to add the base. And what's the area of a circle? Well, that's 1 pi r squared. So our final surface area would be 3 pi r squared. And if you want to, you can always just do 2 pi r squared for the half of a sphere up top, and then add pi r squared. If you like this, two-step method better than the one-step, that's perfectly fine. I kind of prefer doing this, honestly, because it helps me keep track of what I'm really doing in my head. So this would be 3 times pi times 25, which would be 75 pi square meters. And here I've got, notice I have I don't have a radius, I have a diameter. So my radius would be 6 inches. Okay, so the top part is 2 pi r squared is 2 times pi times 36. So the top part is 72 pi. And let's do the base, or the bottom part, would be pi r squared, or 36 pi. So if I take 72 pi plus 36 pi, I get 108 pi square inches. And this would be my final surface area value. So that's all we've got for today. I hope you guys have a fantastic weekend, and please stay safe and stay dry during this incredible weather we're having.